You're welcome to a new episode in this video, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on wide spectrum on iPhone. So when you're making a phone call on your iPhone and you press the mic mode, you have three options available here: the standard, the voice isolation, and the wide spectrum. So if you take a look at this, you're able to select the standard feature, then the voice isolation, but the wide spectrum feature is not selectable. Now you say wide spectrum is currently unavailable. Now this could be because you're on a regular call. If you want to enable wide spectrum on your iPhone, this is all you just need to do. From the home screen, where the call is active, just swipe down the control center. Just swipe down the control center just like this, and then press and hold the mic mode. Once you click on that, you want to click on wide spectrum. This will select the wide spectrum on your iPhone. However, if wide spectrum is currently unavailable on your device, it's because you are on a regular call. To use wide spectrum, you need to turn on to FaceTime. So with the FaceTime call active on your iPhone, you should be able to turn on or make use of the wide spectrum on your device. If this is educative, if you want to learn about that, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.